I will say about my revulsion with Donald Trump taking a few victims of immigrant crime. No moral compass. I want to tell Donald Trump, I know 20 undocumented in TPS Salvadorans and Hondurans in this city. Not one of them has a criminal record. All of them work twice as hard as I ever worked. All of them send money back to their family. They are the backbone of this city's economy. They work the restaurants. They clean the buildings downtown. They do all the semi-skilled and unskilled work everywhere. This is not about border security. It's about our economy. And it's about people who are members of our community who will stay here if I have anything to do with it.